Today, I'm suggesting a quick recipe idea that's a little different. Curry rice with shrimp and cream. A real treat. First, we'll slice a red bell pepper. I cut the bell pepper into very small cubes. Next, I heat olive oil in a pan. I add 100 grams of peeled shrimp, then I press in 2 cloves of garlic. You can replace it with garlic powder. I stir everything to sauté the shrimp with the garlic, then I add some salt and pepper, some ground ginger. You can use fresh ginger instead. I also add onion powder and chives. And I finish with some curry. I mix thoroughly. I sauté the shrimp in the pan for about 6 minutes. Then, with a slotted spoon, I take out the shrimp and set them aside on a plate. I add sliced bell pepper to the pan. I stir everything well. You add a little bit of olive oil if needed. And I take my time to sauté the peppers for about 10 minutes, until they're nice and translucent and start to caramelize. Next, I add 150 grams of long grain rice, which I already rinsed thoroughly with water. I mix everything together. Just like with the shrimp, I season the rice with salt, pepper, ginger, and onion powder, chives, and curry. However, for the salt and pepper, be careful to measure them well so you don't end up with something inedible. I cover the rice with half a liter of water. Add a little at first, then more later. If the rice isn't cooked enough, add more water. I cover my rice and let it cook for 10 minutes. After that, I take off the lid and stir a little bit. I put the shrimp back in the pan. I stir and cook until the water evaporates, about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, to finish, I add 130 milliliters of heavy cream. Mix everything well and let the cream thicken for 5 minutes before taking it off the heat. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you soon.